Last week I was on a stream with one of my guys, right? And I hadn't taken a trade on Monday, I hadn't taken a trade on Tuesday, but then on Wednesday I took a limit order. I usually will market execute, but this time I took a limit order. And he called me out, hey, Lewis, this is not how you trade. But I thought about it. I do understand where he was coming from, because if you think about it, I remember a couple of years ago, I used to take trades just because my setup wasn't forming. I used to get impatient. So it is actually a thing. Imagine you have a fixed set of rules. Monday comes by, no, your setup doesn't form. Tuesday comes by, your setup doesn't form. Wednesday comes by, your setup doesn't form. Do you know the kind of emotions that are going through you when you step into the market on Thursday and Friday? It takes a lot of willpower. I wouldn't even say willpower, because willpower, as I said in my previous video, willpower will fail you. Right? Because you cannot fight against what? In chemistry. So you just need to stick to your rules. You don't need willpower. If the setup is not there, the setup is not there. You move, right? So it is a thing, right? So looking back, it is a thing, and it was right. It was right for him to call me out on that, because some traders, I'll say many traders, can't wait. They simply can't wait for the setups to form, and you end up pulling the lever. The lever in the casino, because what? Your brain chemistry is failing. You're entering survival mode and you're just looking for that next dopamine hit. So patience. Go look at your process. Go over it. You need to actually be revising your process like every single time until they become second nature. Or else you might start to see things that are actually not there.